What's going on, everybody? This is Chris, and today we're going to do a video on this 52-inch S.M.C A52 ceiling fan that I have installed in my bedroom. This fan here initially replaced a 42-inch Hunter original, which I couldn't even wire up a light on it, which sucks because I thought I had the white wire. The black wire, I think it was fine, the neutral. But the white wire wouldn't. I don't know why it just wouldn't activate the light. And which I tried many a times to, which is that thing right there. That's what I'm talking about. And then it wouldn't even work on it with my single fitter. So I couldn't even use it without no light. So I decided to go ahead and find something off on eBay, and I came across this. I always wanted the variable speed ceiling fan ever since I was started being a fan enthusiast. So here it is. When I got this fan off eBay, it was relabeled as a Moss heirloom, and I 100% didn't believe that, because this had S.M.C counterparts. Like, they say that it got the switch housing, the rib switch housing, the addition, and the blade irons. You can see they're genuine S.M.C. And I think the owner got the thing mixed up. I think this is the Moss. The canopy and downrod are not original. That came off of the Union. That came off of my Union ceiling fan. That Union, I don't know, it's been water damaged. So it's been parted out and everything like that. And the light's not original too. That came off my 22806 Hunter original ceiling fan that was originally from my aunt's. And well, I don't have the globes for it because I don't currently own globes at the moment. Until then, I might have to just leave it bare bones until. And plus, I'm ordering a new light for it. I'll give you folks another video of that once I get that done. Once that light's ordered and I can install the light. So yeah, let's go ahead and I'll start off with the light. You can see it works just fine. I have a light in my bedroom. And let's start it off on low. Got it to a speed. I might have to bring it down a little bit so that way it's on an appropriate setting. Let's see, gonna start. So when I see this, every time with the GE vent with the bell canopy, reminds me of that Loyal ceiling fan that used to be in my aunt's living room. That Loyal no longer there. The house we sold, and so I couldn't even save the fan. But this is basically a close encounter of the same fan. Anyway, but yeah, it's gonna remain in my collection for a pretty long time. So yeah. Let's go ahead and we'll bring it down to slower speed. Tend to giving it a jump start. The hum doesn't really bother me when I'm sleeping. It reminds me a lot of that Golden fan, electric ceiling fan that used to be in my aunt and uncle's bedroom, because it ran off a variable speed control or solid state control. I'm trying to see if I can get it down to the slowest setting. And But yeah, this fan here matches so well in my bedroom. You can see it matches the clocks, matches the wood furniture. Like for example, this, my bookshelf. There's this antique brass accents and stuff like that. There's everything in this room here is all wood furniture, and so this fan here really do matches the scheme quite well. Make sure I get it down to nice, slow, low. Make sure that is still gonna run. I'm pretty sure it does. Alright, let's kick it up a little bit higher. I will do reverse on this fan, but the box up there is unstable. So when it wobbles, it checks the box and gets me super nervous. And plus, I just don't want to run it off on it. Downdraft doesn't really bother it as much because it doesn't wobble as much. Because even though it's on the J-hook, it doesn't even bother the fan at all. It's like a regular low speed for a S.M.C. like this. Alright, let's kick it up to 1/8 of a turn. Turn on the light so you can see what it does when the light's on. This is the speed I keep it on during the night, or during the summer nights. I just yep. So since this fan here runs off by speed, let's kick it up all the way up to high. Let's turn off that light. This thing here really just kicks. It does shudder a bit, but other than that, she is just quiet. Other than the fact that the variable speed interference interfered the motor. It does wobble a bit, you see. And let's turn it off and go ahead and I'll turn the variable speed all the way down to low. Not gonna run the fan off to full speed on the updraft because it checks the box. So I'm gonna do it I'm gonna do it a bit slower on this one here. So let's go ahead and start this thing off on low on updraft. All right. Kind of give it a little push. I don't run the fan off reverse. I only run it on low speed, like during the winter times and everything like that. So make sure that the fan gets up all the way up to the highest. Get down here. I don't want to be standing all the time. I'm just happy I got this fan though. If it only comes with the original mounting, then I would be very happy. But instead, this is what I had to go with. But other than that, everything's good. Yeah, I'm not going to run this fan on high very much because it kind of wobbles, and it wobbled worse on reverse. So I'm not going to run it on its highest setting on reverse because of the way how it behaves. Kind of like a death wobble on high, basically a death wobble on the highest setting. So I'm not gonna play a jig with it. There's my clock. All right. Just kick it up, quarter turn. Yeah. See what I mean? This is just gonna make me nervous. All right, let's get to the eighth of a turn. Get to that. I don't want to run it up too much. This is where it gets really. This is where it gets really nervous. You can see the canopy starting to move. Okay, that's enough. I'm kind of paranoid. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will do an update video on this fan once I get the new light on it. Thank you.